Brooke Custis, and I'm the principal of Creekside Elementary. Welcome to our 25-26 open house.
Hi, my name is Courtney Howard. I'm the assistant principal at Creekside, and tonight we are helping families with their transportation questions and making sure that all of our kiddos get to school and get home safely.
Hi, I am Charla Estes, and I'm here with White Mills Christian Church Upward Soccer. We have practice and games at the ballpark in White Mills. Games are one evening a week on Mondays, Tuesdays, or Thursdays from 6 to 7. And games are on Saturday mornings from either 10 to 11 or 11 to 12. And you don't have to be great at playing soccer. This can be your first year or it can be your 7th year. We take all kinds. It doesn't matter your athletic ability, just as long as you love soccer or want to learn about soccer. We would be more than glad to have you. We have tryouts, evaluations on August the 12th, and we would love to see you there and put you on a team.
My name is Summer Cruz. I'm with the Creekside PTA, and these are other lovely PTA members and our little members here. So tonight we are here just raising awareness of what the PTA does each year, how we support our teachers, our school, our students. We were encouraging members to sign up for $10. Half of that goes to us as a PTA that we pour back into the school, and then the other half goes to just the organization of the PTA. So we love Creekside. We absolutely think it's the best side. So thank you for joining us tonight.
Okay, good evening. I'm Miss Hatcher. I'm the school counselor. We've had a wonderful night at our open house, and we look forward to seeing all the students here on Thursday. Have a great evening.